as you know that your term 2 exam is over now. Now today, this period I am devoting just to guide you, just to counsel you, just to tell you our strategies, how we are going to revise the syllabus, our whatever days left for next 2 months. Okay, hope so you will pay attention, you will note down important things, you will take screenshot of important slides, so that there should not be any doubt in your mind, there should not be any query for you. For that purpose, today's class is just to guide you about revision strategy. So before this, you know very well, entire world is under the threat of COVID-19, coronavirus. Still, the condition is not normal, the life is not normalized, the condition become more worse, especially in Manali or Himachal Pradesh. So with COVID-19, DAV Manali has done very good job in spite of teaching learning. That is, you all are eyewitness for that. These are some, you were there in classroom, this picture is visible to you, I think. You were sitting in classroom like this, but now this year it is totally different experience. You are studying with the help of mobile. Now mobile become your classroom. If you have good mobile, if you have good internet, if you have good time network, so your class will be there, otherwise you will not. Home become school, right? You are sitting at your home, so we are teaching from a classroom, so your home become your school. You need to treat your home like a school. Usually one difference is there in classroom, you are getting classroom environment, so somewhere that environment will help the teacher to teach the content in a fruitful way. But now you are at home, due to your home environment, home conditions, there is one challenge for teacher, whether you are understanding or not. So that thing you need to share. We are doing our best. We are teaching you in different way through the help of videos, YouTube channels, our PDF, assignments, Blackboard, Greenboard, everything we are doing. But ultimately, it should be you people, those who are understanding everything, okay? Your family also devoting your time. Books change into laptops now. And these are the problems that this year we are facing. And now biggest problem is attendance, you can see. But dear student, no problem. If there is a problems, so there will be solution also. So solutions are you people, you are yourself the solutions. Definitely you will, when problems will get solved, success will be there. So exam, it's a big day. 1 year is there, always 12 months, 365 days we have already to prepare ourselves for an exam. But dear student, only 3 hours, 3 घंटे की जो हमारी परफॉर्मेंस होती है बोर्ड में, क्वेश्चन पेपर को जो हम लिखते हैं 3 घंटे में, that will decide everything. So bad thing is what? Maximum time has gone. 7 months has gone, right? 7 to 8 months has gone. So I'm telling you, dear student, you whole year you are preparing for your board exam. But ultimately that 3 hour performance, that will decide everything. So you need to take care of those 3 hours. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you about board exam. It will be in the March 2021, exactly March 2021. Okay. It will be pen paper, not digital, not online. It will be at external center. It can be in government school Manali. So practical in February. Be ready, be prepare yourself, keep on writing, and up to 31st December, you need to keep your practical notebook ready. After that, we will, before 28th December, sorry. After 28th December, we will ask you to submit your practical notebook in school. We will check it and we will give some marks to you. Theory will be in the month of March. Good thing is that 30% syllabus is deducted. If 30% syllabus is deducted, it means that some topic has deleted from where question will not come. That while revision we will tell you, okay? So beta, most important, board question paper, board result. Everything is on the hand of board. It is between you and board then. Or you can see, you want to see yourself here after 10th exam or here. crying again for next year in 10th class. It is depending upon you. So that's why this year is very important for you. So take it seriously. Your expected
Yes,
target
sir.
should be there, like you, how many marks you will score. But my target, I am telling you, I want 100% result in 10th class in science. All 80, 81 students, those who are participating, those who are sitting in the examination, they must pass at least. Second, my average, yeah, like your percentage, how to achieve that is different thing. But now this is most important. Dear student, syllabus is over. Now revision, every teacher is doing revision. You know very well. Today I got chance to interact with you first time after term 2. So this slide is very important. Take a screenshot of this slide and listen me carefully. Difference between the syllabus and revision. First difference is, while teaching syllabus, जब हम सिलेबस पढ़ा रहे थे, बच्चों को कुछ नहीं पता होता है चैप्टर के बारे में, टॉपिक के बारे में, तो इट इज टीचर ओरिएंटेड. हाउ ब्यूटीफुली, हाउ नाइस teacher is teaching you, you are understanding your syllabus. But now revision is student oriented. Student oriented mean now teacher is passive, student need to be active. Second difference, teacher have enough time to teach some topic again and again. But while revision beta, teacher have limited time. It can be there, I think, suppose chapter 1 chapter will teaching in 3 days during syllabus, but now that one chapter need to finish within 1 day. Teacher have limited time, within limited time teachers has to clear all doubts. Third difference, time is enough but no planning. Syllabus पढ़ाते हुए हमारे पास बहुत टाइम होता है, but planning नहीं होती है. But now while revision, we have less time, but more planning, many teachers. I think all teachers are telling you this also we have to do, this also we have to do. Many planning is there. Fourth, full syllabus. That time full syllabus we need to study. Every topic of the chapter is important, but according to revision, according to importance in question paper. Understanding based teaching, where revision is retaining. बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलते हैं सर हम याद करते हैं पर भूल जाते हैं. तो जो भूलने की बीमारी है उसके लिए हमें रिवीजन करनी है. कीपिंग ऑल द स्टूडेंट इन माइंड, बट रिवीजन टाइम वी आर कीपिंग अबव एवरेज, बिलो एवरेज एंड एवरेज स्टूडेंट. 7 चैप्टर वाइज टीचिंग एंड रिवीजन इज क्वेश्चन पेपर बेस्ड टीचिंग. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट. नाउ दिस इज अवर मास्टर प्लान, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज. वो मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको केमिस्ट्री. टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस आल्सो. Master plan mean this is the master plan how we will do smart revision. There is a difference between smart revision and traditional revision. Traditional revision is okay beta learn only, this is the traditional revision. But smart revision is how to learn. Number 1, 10th class mark exam is in the month of March, right? Exam is in the month of March.
Sir.
So before March, how we are going to start revision? I divided the whole revision in 3 phases. 15 days we are getting in one phase. 15 days in this, 15 days in this, and 15 days in this. Here 15 days are today 16th December to 28th December to 28th December. Okay, I'm not able to write here, but you just people need to understand. 16th December to 28th December revision 1, where one calendar is ready. Okay, the calendar is ready, and that calendar I will show you. In that calendar, which chapter is given on which day. Let me show you that calendar. This is your calendar. You can see. Am I visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So here it is calendar. In this calendar, if you will see what is written there on the top. Read somebody. पढ़ो इसको. Is it readable to you?
Revision calendar 1, subject chemistry,
Yes.
topic wise,
How?
absentees list, feedback, marks, homework.
Okay, okay beta, you can see here now. First column is date. है ना? Date and chapter. First column. Date and day. You can see today is which day?
Sir, this you have sent in group also.
Yes, just I have sent. 16th December. On 16th December, I have written chapter 1. Chapter 1 is chemical reaction and equation. It means that today's target is chapter 1. Then homework is written here. Solve the assignment with open textbook practice. You will open, I will send one assignment to you related to chapter 1 in which carry most important question from chapter 1. Okay, which will definitely come in exam. Now it is very difficult, if you will see, it is very difficult to study full book within 15 days. Am I right or not? If I
Yes,
ask
sir.
right now, what thing is giving you panic, yeah, giving you tension? That is only this thing. Here, how within 2 months we will study full book? Is this or not? So who told you study full book?
Yes, sir.
Who told you study full book? I am telling you, don't study full book. You just study those questions, which question your teacher is giving. I mean that I have taught 10th class student and I made them pass from last 12 years. I have 13-year experience. So you just take my experience and do hard work. Your hard work and my experience or our experience, teacher's experience, that will produce very good result. So you need to be focused. Whatever we are sharing with you, whatever we are giving you, whatever we are teaching you, you need to focus on that. I am very much sure those students who will take daily class, those who will study those online materials, they will score more than 80% easily in science. It is my guarantee to you. Got my point? So ये क्लियर हो गया है. एक कैलेंडर बना हुआ है जिसमें चैप्टर वाइज आपको डेट वाइज दिया हुआ है. चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चन आपको रोज मिलेंगे. वो क्वेश्चन आपको ओपन बुक करके सॉल्व करने हैं. सॉल्व करने के बाद आप उसको लर्न करोगे. आज का टारगेट आज का चैप्टर है. टुडेज टारगेट इज टुडे चैप्टर. टुमारोज टारगेट इज टुमारोज चैप्टर. आफ्टर 3 days you will not get chance to study the first chapter. So take each day important, every day important. In this revision 1, I will try to clear your doubt. There can be some doubt because you were not there in school this year. There can be some doubt in any chapter, so you need to ask those doubts. Be always ready to asking your doubt. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then when we will do revision 1, we will move for revision 2. In revision 2, we will mix chapter. Like we will take 2 chapter, 3 chapter together, and while making 2-3 chapter together, we will make one recycle assignment where we will take most important question from board and we will ask you to make your question paper. You will make question paper then for topic wise. Most important here, self-analysis is most focused. This thing I will tell you later on also. It will be in the month of January. This will be in the month of December. मैंने बोला December. This will be in the month of January. This will be in the month of February, first 15 day of February, where most of things will clear to you. Chapter clear, question paper clear. Now previous year question paper, last 10-year question paper. Full question paper we will solve. Full question paper. In 1 day, 1 question. 15 days, 15 question paper. Only and only written practice. That I will tell you later on. So this is our master plan, dear student. Hope so it is clear to you. Now, something is there anything that you want to ask? Is there anything that you want to ask?
No, sir.
Like this way, how effective revision can produce best result? These are calendar. This is +2 calendar and 10th calendar I shared in your group. So these are self-made question paper you will make later on. Question paper like this way, yourself. And this is unit-wise distribution. Doubt clearing session is there. Conference call system I made. This is the record of conference call system. Similar way I made for 10th also. So you all need to be active again during conference call. These are test marks. So these are suggestions for you. Take screenshot and try to follow these suggestions. Is it visible to you or not? Turn on everybody.
Yes, sir, visible.
Turn on your camera. Most of you have disabled your camera. So see, first point, Ritika, read what first point. What is written? Ritika, read. Prepare your mindset. Most important. You all people can study only. You all will study only if you are ready to study. समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात? Ultimately, you have to study for yourself. It is your board exam. It is you people, those who need to pass those exams. It is you people, those who need to, who will go in those question examination center. So prepare your mindset first. Prepare a fixed home timetable. I have given home timetable with your parents. Many students are there, those who have not, whose parents were not there, and who, I don't know, you have that timetable or not. Anybody? Yes, Shivam, Shiven, you got that timetable?
Yes, sir.
So what is there in that timetable? Tell your friend.
Sir, we have to do daily. We have to call our teachers and discuss about our doubts.
Weekly, not daily.
Weekly, daily.
One day, suppose
Weekly.
Monday you are talking to Ravi sir. Tuesday you are talking with Rajesh sir. Wednesday you will talk to Lata madam, like this way. Fix one day for one teacher. Okay. And in chemistry already doubt clearing class is there, so you can follow doubt clearing conference call timetable also. This is up to you. Clear? Then instead of that, different timetable is also there. That is home timetable. Right from morning to evening, what you are doing, you all have to make your timetable, your study timetable also, your playing timetable also, your relaxed timetable also. That you need to prepare. Everybody will make. Tomorrow I will ask. Keep your doubts ready. Keep your doubts ready to ask your teachers anytime. This is very important. If you will ask the doubt, now from today I am sharing you assignment. Today, first chapter assignment I will share, and I hope you all will do. When you will do, so there can be some doubts, some question which answer you don't know. You need to ask at the same time that doubts through WhatsApp, and I will try to give the answer through WhatsApp to you. Okay? More and more doubt you will ask, more and more doubt will be clear to you, more and more benefit will be there of that student. And most important, be healthy. Be healthy, because last time I saw many board students, they during exam time they got sick and they were not able to perform. So beta, first thing is there, if you will be healthy, then only you will be happy, then only you will be confident for your exam. Buy 10-year solid board paper book. Everybody will buy 10-year solid board paper book. It will be available in bookshop. Latest, not old, latest, this year. 10 साल के क्वेश्चन पेपर वाली बुक आपने खरीदनी है, वो सॉल्व क्वेश्चन पेपर वाली होती है, क्योंकि सेकंड रिवीजन तक ये होना चाहिए आपके पास. सॉल्व प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर, टेक योर डमी एग्जाम एवरी वीक वंस. संडे जैसे आप फ्री होते हैं, तो ऑन संडे यू डिसाइड दैट इन द मॉर्निंग आई विल टेक माय मैथ पेपर. अपना पेपर खुद ही लेना है, चेक भी खुद ही करना है. दिस विल हेल्प अ लॉट. ओके, बी योर टीचर. Create study environment at home, which is very important. Many family I have seen, they don't have study environment. They have mobile environment, they have a TV environment, they have gossiping environment, but they don't have study environment. So as a 10th student, you need to create that environment. Cooperate your teacher in every sense. First cooperation is attendance, attending live classes. Second cooperation is sending assignments, homework to your teacher. Third cooperation is be active on conference call system or telephonical call according to timetable. These, when you will follow these suggestions and you will do religious revision, smart revision, definitely success will be on your hand very soon. And conclusion is that to get best result, we should do best revision with you people only, because ultimately you have to perform in your examination. Your teacher will not sit in exam. Okay, so all the best. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope so you all, whatever I shared with you, you all got that, mean what, how much important is upcoming board exam. I am sending one assignment to you. Chapter 1, most important question related to chapter 1. Your work is buy new notebook. One नई notebook खरीदनी है आपने. You will start doing revision work in that new notebook. You will solve daily. First solve, then learn. Okay? So less than 1 minute left. Anything you want to ask, so you can ask. Otherwise, then you can leave, and that which photo I am sending you, that assignment start doing whenever you are free. Is there any doubt? Anything you want to ask? Okay.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.